All right, Riley's almost got that carburetor done, so we better hurry it up now. We got the tank just kind of mocked up in there. But while we're there, we're going to add a whole new element, right? A whole new thing that's kind of blowing my mind on how simple but awesomely effective it is.
Technically, you're going to remove an element.
That's true.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah.
So you go out in your garage, right, and it smells like gas. That's kind of normal for us.
He said gas.
Yeah.
Gas.
Not Willie gas, but just car gas. That's your fuel tank venting. Just venting gas, just evaporating out. We can cap that off. We can absorb it and keep that smell from coming out, right? So your car just sits there, hangs out. Everybody's happy.
Yeah, man. It's called Vapor Trapper. It's unbelievable. Named one of the top products at SEMA, and it does just that. It traps all the vapors, those gas vapors, and eliminates them. So you walk into your garage, your shop, your man cave, whatever. It doesn't smell like. Doesn't smell like gas inside your classic car, which you know for a fact. You heard that complaint a million times. So you want to get rid of the gas? Simply get you one of these. Vapor Trapper. They're really easy to install. Fits on every single. If your car runs on gas, this will fit it. And here's the best part. 5, 6, 7 years down the road, depends on really how much you drive the car, start to get a whiff of gas again. Well, all you gotta do is just recharge the old charcoal. You take the charcoal, right? Spin this off, dump the charcoal out, put new charcoal in, right? Boom. It's reusable water.
We'll show you how it goes. It's super simple. You can mount the thing anywhere on any type of vehicle, and all you do is you take the vent line, you run it around, you plug it into one side of the thing, and the other side you vent outside the car, and all the venting still works, but it traps the smell.
There you go, man.
Amazing.